Hello everyone, welcome back. Let me drink something. I talk too much, I think, so my mouth is a little bit dry. Welcome back in this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Friday, July the 24th, 2020. The last Sudoku, yeah, it's a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. And this one will be number 1221. Yes. So let's get started. And the first question, do we have here a single box? No, I cannot see any single box here. I see here a dual box. Here also a dual box. A triple box. So let me mark them for you. Where's my pencil? I need my pencil. Yeah. This little pencil. These two should be 1 and a 2. These two should be 1 and a 2. These two 1 and a 2. We have here a 1. That means in these 3 boxes, surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That means these 2 boxes could be a 1. We have a 5 here. So these 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. We have a 4 here. So these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here or could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, could be here. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. The 4 could be here or could be there. And if I place the 4 here... Oh, no. Yeah, let's continue with the other digit. We have a 5 here, so these 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 2 goes there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 goes in these 2 boxes. And I cannot place the 2 here. Otherwise, these 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 should be here. We have a 1 here. This box cannot be a 1. The 1 could be here or there. If I place the 1 here, then these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. I need a 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. So the 4 and the 5 are left. I cannot place the 4 here because we have a 4 here. So the 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. We have a 3 here. That means this box cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 2 here. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. 1 box left should be the 1. We have here 1 and a 2. And here we have a 2. I need a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1 and this should be a 2. That means these 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes are left for the 3 and the 5. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes here and the 5 goes there. We have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2. This should be a 1 and this should be the 2. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. And I have eliminated the 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. The other box should be the 5. And then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. The 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. The other 2 should be the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have a 2 here. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be the 2. And this should be the 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. This box should be the 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be the 3. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 goes in these 2 boxes. Yeah. We have a 2 there, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes here or there. This box cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1, 2, 1, 2. We have a 5 here. This box cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes together with the 5 as a pair. So this box should be the 3. Alright. These 2 boxes, 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3 because I have I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. If I place a 3 here, I cannot place a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be the 3. The 3 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So this one should be the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 or 4. This box is 3 or 4. This box cannot be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. Cannot be a 2. 2, 3, 1 or 5. Cannot be. So one digit left should be the 4. The 3 and the 2 goes in those two boxes. Well, this box cannot be a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 goes here or there. And these two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes in these 3 boxes. 1, 2. Yeah. The 2. I cannot play. We have a 2 here in one of those two boxes. I cannot place a 2 there because I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. So this should be at the 1. And this should be the 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be the 2. We have a 3 now, so this should be a 2. And this should be the 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 4, and this should be the 3. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and I've eliminated the 5. So one box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. We have here 5 and the 4. We have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be the 2. 5 and the 4. We have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 4. And this should be the 5. We have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4. This should be the 3. And this should be the 4. 1. This box cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. So this should be a 5. 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 3. Let me mark them. That means 4, 3, 4, 3. This box cannot be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. So this should be the 1 and this should be the 3. And then... Yeah, then... This box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5, so it's 1 or 4. 1 or 4. Am I stuck here? No, I'm not stuck. These two boxes cannot be 4 and 3. No. Cannot be a 5. So it's 1 or 2. 1 or 2. 1, 2. And this cannot be a 1, so this should be a 2. This should be a 2. It cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be 4 or 3. Cannot be a 5. Yeah, this should be a 2. Yes. So with a 2 here, the 4, 3, 1. This box 4, 3. This box cannot be 4, 3. So this should be a 1. This box cannot be a 3, so this should be the 3, and this should be the 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3, and this should be the 4. Yes, completed in 15 minutes. Alright. Alright, great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. Yeah. And if you subscribe, hit that bell button, then YouTube will be notify you for new Sudokus when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.